Hello and welcome back to the channel, and it's been a while, hasn't it? So today I'm going to be doing another soldering project, and we're going to be making this multimeter that I got off Alieexpress quite a bit ago. It's the DT830B. There are a few variations of this. One comes with like a little beep thing when you're doing your continuity stuff. And I think it's actually cheaper to buy it as a kit than it is ready-made, but something daft like that. So let's open it up and see what we got. We got some test leads, so that's silicone rubber stuff. We've got the actual chassis, little knob thing, circuit board, which is quite thin. Looks like the surface mount stuff's been done already, thank God. A little bag of bits. What got in there? We got some capacitors in there, I think, tuning caps, screws, what have you. That LED screen which has got a bleed over on it, which is a pity, never mind. Sticker for the front. We've got all our little resistors all marked out, and a diode as well. And we've got a schematic. Now I noticed on this one we don't really have any there's no instructions, but I think everything's all marked out. So resistor 8, resistor 26 is a 9k, so got a circuit diagram, and you've got a spec sheet. I'm gonna have to get Google Translate on that to see what it says. Probably says something about cheese. So let's see what we can do. The main worry is how thin this board is. It's going to be interesting. Right, let's get everything sorted out. Soldering iron is warming up. I've got a reflux pen, I've got this sucker in case I mess it up, and some cutters. And let's get started. Right, so hopefully this is going to be in focus. So I'm not going to do any resistor orders. Like with this one, Mr. 2, I'm just going to put them in wherever. So 1 meg resistor. Where's the other one? Another 1 meg resistor. I don't think it matters which way we put them in, as long as they go in. Put one in. So there you are. Now the pads on these look quite small, so hopefully it'll be alright. And I don't want to start shorting stuff together. This might be a bit difficult for me because usually I stand above the camera and try and reach round, so this could be a normal success or it could be a failure. That's just turn the soldering iron tip. These pads are quite small, so wish me luck. Looks like they are through hole anyway, so I'm using the wrong size tip, so this is going to be interesting. Will I lift the pads? And if I do, I shall chuck this out the bloody window. Come on, get the bloody thing sorted. I am glad I don't have to do the surface mount stuff because I hate surface mount components and my eyes aren't good enough for it. You can nobody slate You can all probably slate me from your bad soldering skills, but oh god, this is tiny. Would I recommend this kit? I mean, I've only just started it. Yeah, if you've got the right soldering tip. But this does look a bit fiddly, so thin soldering iron tip will be good for start it. And try not to put too much heat into it, because you'll just lift the pads and then it become absolutely useless. So probably better if I didn't have the camera right in my face. But we shall see how well it happens, how well it works and how well it doesn't. Tell you what I'll do, I'll bring you back when I've got most of the board. So I've got a few of the resistors in and the capacitors in, and there's a slight problem already, just down here in the corner. I'll just see where my from it has got 154 picofarad capacitor. That's the ones they provide, and yeah, I'm going to have to bend them legs in a bit. There's another one up here as well. Where's that gone? Now that one on the top would fit just about, but that needs a bit of the legs bending in. Another thing I have noticed is, just get me resistors. Which one is it now? There's a 1% resistor at 20k and I can't quite see it on the board. I think that one should go near to the SMD chip thing, but I can't see it on there, so unless it could be that one, 201. I think I've seen in another video when someone's building this where they put the position resistor close to that chip. It would be nice if it was more clearly marked, but it is what it is. But got a bit of progress anyway. I think the fun's going to start when I start putting in like the fuse holder and the plug bits, whatever you want to call them. Getting there slowly. High tolerance resistor I was talking about. Where are we now? 900 ohms R27 apparently goes there. That was the high tolerance one, 0.15. And if you see on the top there, it doesn't give an indication of what resistor that is. So I presume that's the 900R high tolerance 9k to 20k. Now I'm going to have to have a look at the schematic for that one, because that's connected to the variable resistor. So where is it? That's the high tolerance one. Get you in focus there. So yeah, it's a 20k by the looks of it. So yeah, 20k on that one. Is it 20k? That's the thing with this schematic. I think it should have been just so the values say, well, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, like a normal schematic would be. Then you just look on, say R1, R2, R3 on the board, and then R1, R2, R3, then whatever the values are. So not quite clear, but getting there slowly. This capacitor was a pain in the arse. I had to try and bend the legs in, and I don't bend them too much because they might snap. Luckily I have got some of them in stock anyway. Probably not the sort of rating. I think I've got the 50 volt ratings upstairs. Anyway, it's probably always better to have some spares anyway. They don't provide it, so getting there slowly. Okay, another issue I found, which is a difficulty, is soldering these terminals in, sockets even. What I'm finding that I'm having to do is flux the pad put the thing in and just leave the soldering iron on it, and then introduce some solder gradually. But the thing is, you can see if it's going to focus. Come on, focus. Yeah, it started to burn a bit. I did whack my soldering up to 380 degrees, but I think that may have been a bit too much. But it's one issue, but hopefully I've not damaged the board. I don't think I've lifted any pads on the other side. No, not, should be alright. We're getting there slowly. I think that's the fiddly bits. Obviously with them terminals, I don't think they're going to be lined up properly, but I can always heat it up and solder it again. We are getting there. So just a few components down this side, a couple of resistors, a diode, the plug thing for transistor checking, but that goes on this other side. Then I think it's just putting it in the case, putting that a bit for the display, the dialy bits and the sticker, etc. And I think we're done. It has taken me a bit longer, but that's all the soldering on that side done. Getting there slowly. Solder them in, and the bit where you put the transistor in for checking. I have also started to put these little copper tag things on. They just go push over there. After that, I'll put it in the case and sort these ball bearings out. Presume the spring goes in there, the ball bearing pushes up, and I've put that somewhere yet. So obviously you get the nice ratchety sound when you're turning that. Put the decal on, and then it'll be time for calibrating it, which I'll reference it to the Fluke multimeter and then sort it. But right, so that's all in. The dowel's easy. There's two ball bearings. You just put it facing down. LCD screen, you got the elastomer there. So it's all sorted out. So I just need to put a battery in, and then we'll do a quick test. So positive that way. Not too keen on these springy bits, but the set's cheap enough anyway. That's if I can get the damn things in. Come on. Oh, God, that's not ideal. Is that touching? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's an issue straight away. I think I've got a dodgy LCD screen. Right, I can't find out why the screen is dodgy, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this micrometer multimeter. Another 9-volt battery, so negative on there, pause on there. And apparently this battery is 7.97 volts. So 7.97. These leads don't come with it anyway, but see if will they fit in there. So that one. See if this agrees with it. Well, that could be anything. Is it the elastomer actually lined up properly? I'm kind of annoyed by that. Either it's my soldering's crap or it's the LCD. I mean, that could be 7.97. Don't quite know. That's annoying me, that has. That has annoyed me. Right, the camera battery in the GoPro's dead, but on the phone, so 7.97 for the battery, so let's... Display looks better. I think the elastomer on the back was a bit out of line, so can I do this one-handed? Positive and negative. Let's use the proper leads. Pause to negative. 7.97. No adjustments needed. Apparently, if you're going to adjust it, you just adjust that there till it's correct up, whatever the other meter says. My country meter says 7.97, so does that. Let's do continuity. Now, if you have the higher model on it, it'll beep at you, but this has got no beeper. Yeah, display's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. I think I'm going to leave it there with this one. Would I recommend this kit? Yeah, it's a bit of fun. It's not fantastic. It's not a precision instrument, but it's still fun all the same. I would recommend you get like a fine tip soldering iron and one of them use the helping hands thing, because this has been a good help. Well, yeah, that's it. That's the DT830B Multimeter. And if I can find the link for Alieexpress, I'll put it down below. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.